Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual, but it has been highly recommended by my subscribers. There was a look that I did on my Instagram page that a lot of people were like, wow, I'd really love to know how you braided your hair. And it actually was not a braid, and it's quick and easy, so I thought I'd do a tutorial for you because you've asked for it. So I wanted to make sure that I did that. If you are not following me on Instagram, I'll put the handle down below. I'd love for you to follow me there. So here's the look. You only need 4 products. They're super cheap and easy to use. So I just have my hair down. I'm just gonna go ahead and just brush it out. I do have really thick hair, and it does get frizzy. So I just go to the back and I split it so it's pretty even. And then I just take one of the dollar, I think it's like $1 at Target water bottle and wet my hair because it's easier for me to work with my hair when it's not completely dry and frizzy. And then I'm gonna take my wet brush. I love this brush, I can't recommend it enough. And just brush through my hair to kind of make it so it doesn't have as many waves to work with. Okay, so the first thing that you do is that. Then the only thing that you really need are these clear goody hair ties. I think these are 3 different sizes that I got from Amazon, and it will all be linked down below, but they're very inexpensive. So they're little elastic rubber bands. So be careful not to pull them open too far because they will break pretty easily. So I just put it on once like that. If you have finer hair, you might need to wrap it twice. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 fingers and I'm gonna go right through my hair, and then I'm gonna twist it through and bring it down, and it gives you that kind of loop that looks like it's braided, but it's not. And then I'm gonna keep doing that. So I'm gonna go about 2 inches down, and I'm gonna put another one, and I'm gonna put my 2 fingers through my hair like that. I'm gonna pull it through and twist it and see how it looks like it's braided, but it's not, and it's quick and simple and easy. And I'm gonna do the other side. Pull all my hair together since it's so thick. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this through. Here we go. I'm gonna put 2 fingers through, and then I'm just gonna pull it through and twist it. I will tell you, sometimes I do it a couple times until I get it to how I like it, because sometimes it doesn't always look right the first time. All right, so I'm about 2 inches down again, so it's about the same. I'm gonna use my 2 fingers, and I'm gonna pull it through and twist it, and there you go. And then I'm gonna end with my favorite Panama hat from Amazon. I love this Panama hat. It's been in several bags, like traveling with me, and it still looks brand new. The shape is like perfect. And here's the final look. This is the one that everybody really liked. So if you want to see more of these, just let me know down in the comments. But here's that quick and easy look for you to do with your own hair. And I'd love to know if you try it out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.